Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a ring pour in my 5-slot pour cup. I will leave a link to the shop I got it from down in the description box below. The colors I am using are Waverly Inspirations Grass, Peacock, Sunshine, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue. Let me get those out of the way. And let's get started. I haven't been able to mess with this cup too much because I got it and then the holidays were creeping up, so I had to stop and work on Christmas projects. Alright. I hope everyone is enjoying their holidays. It's been unseasonably warm over here, which isn't necessarily bad. Just didn't feel like Christmas, that was all. Alright, almost at the end. And I'm probably going to stop it right there. That's plenty, more than plenty paint. I am going to pop some air bubbles with a little torch. There's tons of air bubbles. Actually, I might need to use my bigger one. Alright, that's better. Alright, let's go ahead and tilt this. And just slowly work it around. Move it back to the center here so I can decide which corner I want to go off. Move off this corner. Bring it back. I'll just take my finger and cover that up. Move it back to the center. Move it over this way. Yeah, I'll go off this corner over here. And bring it back. Go over to that corner. And then for the last corner, I'm going to take some more of that red off. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to get rid of some of this green over here. gonna make sure my sides are covered. I'm gonna wipe off my hands and then give it a torch. Still seeing some air bubbles. Let's see. I almost feel like I want to go more off here a little bit. See if I can bring that back. Wow, definitely not the effect I was going for, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another torch. Alright. Let's see if I can get you in for a close-up. Oh, wrong way. Alright, and there we go. I think I'm a little out of practice. I haven't been able to pour in a while, but it's still pretty neat. So I'm probably going to continue my day of pouring and see if I can't get back into a groove. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Alright, so I'm going to go again. I wasn't happy with the other one. It was alright. But I'm using different colors. I'm going to be using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, the black, FolkArt Inkspot, and then I combined both the phthalo and emerald green together. Just a few drops of the phthalo green. And then some Liquitex Basics copper. So let me move these aside. And let's see if I like this one better. I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas. I forgot to mention in the last pour that I did, it was also a 12 by 12. I really love these colors together. The ink spot for me, if you don't want to spend the money on the phthalo blue, this is pretty close. Alright, that should be plenty. Oh, looks like I ran through with some paint. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick torch. Alright, and we can start tilting. Let's see. slowly gonna go around. Okay, now I think I'm going to grab a corner catcher. And this is just cut out from a cereal box. Nothing special. And I'm going to kind of walk my paint to where I'm going to go off this edge. Okay. I'm going to take my corner catcher there, kind of catch it, because I don't want my center to be lost. I'm going to go over to this side. Once again, just kind of walking the paint. Okay, bring it back. Turn this around. And let's see. I think I'm going to go to this side. Probably not going to use the corner catcher because I'm going to want to get some of that white off. Just walking the paint back and forth so I don't lose my lines. Go off this corner, bring it back. Go off this corner. Bring it back a little bit. Still need to cover this side. Bring it back. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of most of that white probably. Still got one more spot to kind of cover. There we go. Let's see. Set it down, get a look at it. See if I want to do anything. I'm almost tempted to take this off down here. It'd be a shame. But I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So I'm just going to, once again, start walking my paint back and forth. Slowly get off there. I'm going to bring it back a little bit. Let's see. I'm still not liking this blob of white. So, move my weight of the paint back down there. Just get some of that off. Not all of it. Okay, just tilting it back. Okay, let me check my sides and corners. Alright, let's see. Just want to move it just a little bit this way, I think. I'm much happier with that one. Alright, let me wipe off my hands. I'm going to give it a quick torch again. Checking for any lumps. I could have swore I seen a lump over here, but nope. Alright, I'm going to pause you and get you down for a close-up. Alright, so here we are for the close-up. I am liking this one better than the first. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.